Hello guys, welcome here to another lesson on this E-series latest version 473. And so today I'll be teaching you how to sustain, all right, on this piano, okay? So it's a new feeling, all right? Unlike other pianos that you sustain by using the other E-series version that is sustained by using these knob buttons, all right, by an assign. Okay, this one is quite different. We don't sustain like that, and so we are going to sustain by using we come to function. Okay, when we come to function here, is our function button. We press it. Okay, now when we press to function, we use this die button. We select, we change, all right, we change, all right. Remember my sound here, all right. There's no sustain, all right. Now, so I'll change, okay, all right, change until I see M release, all right. When I see M release, what I do, I tapped, okay, enter. When I tap enter, all right, see, I'll see the numbers is 54, 64. I increase it, all right, I'm increasing. So as you're increasing, you'll be sustaining the sound, all right, increasing, all right. Let me increase the volume a bit. Okay, so increase the M release, all right, it's now, so our sound is now sustained. Right, guys, so if I reduce all this, if I reduce all, see it's reducing, all right, the sustain will go. All right, so that's one special characteristic that this piano has. Its own features are quite different from the other versions of E series, right? E63, E53 and 43, 33 and what have you, guys. So that's the way we can sustain on this piano, right? We can also use external sustains, all right, but this one is internal. Okay, please, thank you. Do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.